Welcome back. In the past 24 hours, 113,000 traders were liquidated. 378 million was wiped from the market. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact trading plan so that you guys know where you can find new opportunities to trade and so that you avoid becoming a liquidation statistic. Now let's look at the Bitcoin liquidation heat map for the past 3 days. We have just swept this little block of liquidity here, 140 million, and there's another chunk sitting down here at about 85,000. We have 110 million sitting down here. Zooming out a little bit to the 1 week liquidation heat map, you can see that we have swept that key liquidity that we were looking at in the previous video yesterday at 88,000. Right, 266 was swept from there, and we are currently moving down. So if you paid attention to yesterday's video, you'll know that we had a few possible setups for our trading plan. The first one was hit beautifully and we moved up. The second one, a short position from up here, has also been hit, but I did not enter because of a lack of confirmation for me. Right, you can see this was our potential short position from our zone. Boom, price is currently moving down. Now, that being said, even though we may have missed the trade, let's look for some new opportunities of where we could potentially find the next trade. Now, something I want you guys to pay attention to, we are currently on the 1 hour time frame, and if I just pull a fixed range volume profile from here where we dumped all the way to here, you can see that we have deviated to the extreme of the range, and we are currently testing the point of control right here. Now, this is a very important level. If we line it up, it also lines up with our golden pocket on the 1 hour time frame. So we can mark this zone as a zone of interest. And what we want to see is if we can get some type of divergence on the 15-minute time frame within this zone. If we can get some type of divergence here, you can see the 15-minute RSI is currently entering oversold. Now remember, oversold means that the momentum is at its strongest. So if we do not get some type of divergences here and a pushback up, that could mean that this downtrend could actually continue all the way down for a full range reversal. So currently we are on a very, very critical level for Bitcoin. Right? If we do not get a bounce here and a reclaim of this range high, it's likely that we may break below, sweep that liquidity that we are looking at down here at about 85,000 and continue down for a full range reversal. So there are two possible scenarios right here. What I'm looking to trade for now, if we can get some type of confirmation on the 15-minute time frame, I will be willing to take a long position from this point of control, either from 86 or maybe even from 87, 86.8 or 86.1, right? But we need that divergence on the 15-minute time frame at least for me to be able to take a long with confidence here. Now, going back to 1 hour time frame, we have not entered the 1 hour overbought region yet. So there is a possibility that this short position could still play out if we get that divergence coming up here. And a possible short trade can still be taken from here. This is the current plan for BTC. Let me just mark out my positions. Possible long trade from the point of control, either from down here at 86.7 or 86.0. Okay, this is a possible long position. Given the fact that we are in a downtrend and we have deviated to the extreme high of this range, the value area high, I am actually expecting it to create a full range reversal back down to the bottom of this range, back down to 84k or possibly even 82k. Right, now if that happens, then we can look for this long position to come into play. Right, but again, we still need to wait for our confirmation. So right now, these are the two closest trade ideas that we have. A possible long from the point of control and the golden pocket level, right where we are, and a possible short from this level if we do create some type of divergences. Now we want to wait for confirmation before we actually enter these trades. If you guys want to see exactly how I trade when I enter my full trading journal, right, you guys can click the link below and join the free Telegram channel. This is where I share more frequent updates. Everything here is free. You also get the starter pack that will show you exactly how to manage your risk and start trading properly. Now, just a reminder, I will be opening the intake for the private Kyzen community. This is a more detailed group with two-way communication between me and you guys, where you guys can ask questions, and I also share more trade ideas in here. Right, so if you guys want to take advantage of this, make sure you join the public channel first, because I will be posting instructions on how to join the private group very, very soon. So click the link below this video in the description and join the public channel first. I'll share details very, very soon. That's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.